Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 3,063 miles and a full service history. This bike is in outstanding condition and comes in the traditional Aprilia red and black. It is absolutely immaculate, I have to say. There's no damage to the bar ends, the levers, or the mirror there. All the paintwork in tip-top order. And of course, this being the factory, you get the Öhlins semi-active suspension, which is absolutely superb. All your engine cases absolutely unmarked, as is that belly pan and the bodywork there. And your petrol tank. The striking red seat is unmarked, no rips, tears, or damage. And the rear panel all in excellent condition as well. Standard exhaust, it still sounds absolutely phenomenal, I have to say. It's a V4 engine after all, and we will fire it up so you can have a listen. It sounds absolutely brilliant, this bike. The rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, and the rear swing arm in excellent order as well. There's that semi-active rear shock just in there, and again that is unmarked. Bit of a hugger there as well. All your frame again unmarked, absolutely superb. Front of the bike again, that's all in great condition as well. You've got a tinted screen there. No signs of any stone chips or damage of any kind. Of course, the bike comes with race ABS, traction control, various rider modes, pit lane limiter, cruise control. It's got a host of features on it. It really is a true naked superbike, this one. Front mudguard, all unmarked, just like the front of the fairing there. And those Öhlins forks are again unmarked. And the front wheel, again, absolutely tip-top condition. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there. The left-hand side of the bike, that's in superb order as well. It's an absolute beauty, this. We do very, very well with these bikes, very popular. And why wouldn't it be? Masses of power, fantastic handling, great soundtrack. All your gizmos and gadgets, including your up and down quick shifter there. All the engine in good condition, all the bodywork there, including the belly pan, all in good order. Side panels, no marks there. And the front of the bike, the radiator and the belly pan there. Again, all in tip-top order. The frame on this side, again, unmarked, as is the petrol tank. And again, you see no rips, tears, damage or marks on there either. And the rear seat unit there, all good as well. There's the shock from the other side. Again, no corrosion there or any signs of any damage or anything like that. It's really in good order, this bike. And the rear wheel, again on this side, all in good condition, and chain sprockets, as you'd expect for such low mileage. Plenty of life left in them, and there's that rear tyre again. So top view there, all in excellent order, as you can see. Full colour TFT dash. It's an absolute beauty, it really is. So if you're after an extremely rapid naked superbike, then look no further than this stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.